Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to gift Nitro on Discord mobile. I will just tap on it and make sure you will have logged in, and I will be just move in the top right corner bottom option is your profile icon, and I will just tap on it again. The top right corner is the gear icon, and you will just find the Nitro gifting. So in the billing settings, the third option is Nitro gifting. I will be just tap on it simply. So here you will see you will just have to purchase the plan for the 1 year or 1 month. So it's up to you. You will just tap on it if you want to just for the 1 year. So you will just have to save 16% for 1 year. So you will just buy the gifting. If I just tap on it, so you will be able to pay it and buy the credit card, or you will just pay from your Apple ID. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.